Greetings. This is Mr. Mitchell with Southwest Junior High and Springdale School District here to help you with science for AMI Day 9. So let's look at our task for today. A manufacturer is considering using 4 different materials to construct a pan for cooking on a stove. The table shows the thermal conductivity and melting point of each material. A material with a higher thermal conductivity value conducts more thermal energy. So let's break down this paragraph a little bit here. So what it's telling us is there's someone who makes things that's trying to decide which of these 4 materials here would be better to make a pan for cooking on a stove. So a tool like this. The table is showing the thermal conductivity, which is simply the physical property of a material to have heat move through it. And it gives us a unit here, which is watts per meters times Kelvin. So this is simply a unit that scientists use to measure thermal conductivity or how heat moves through a material. And then over on this side, we have the melting point, which is in Kelvin, which is a scientific temperature unit. And then we have these values here. So the most important part of this paragraph here is this last sentence. A material with a higher thermal conductivity value conducts more thermal energy. So to conduct means to allow that thermal energy or that heat to travel from one place to another. So let's look at our 2 questions. 9th grade and 8th grade are very similar. 9th grade is asking you to use the CER model, which is to make a claim, provide evidence and reasoning. And here's the question. Which material would you suggest the manufacturer use to construct the pan? So in this model, we're going to have to make a statement, provide our evidence, and explain that. Tell why we believe our claim is correct. 8th grade is very similar. Which material would be best for the handle? So this is the handle, right? And then which would be best for the pan? Then again, we have to explain. So 8th and 9th both, we need to look back in our data table and we need to decide, are all of these numbers important in answering this question, or can we ignore some of these numbers? Remember, just because you're given all this information, that doesn't mean you have to use it. So think about these things as you approach writing the answer to your questions. If you have further questions, you can ask your teacher, and they will certainly be happy to help you. Have a great day.